Welcome, here I've got CAT S52 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button here in the left corner. When we tap on this we get access to advanced camera settings, and as you can see here in the general settings we have the grid line. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that, so this is how it works. For now let me keep this turn it on and let's go back to the camera preview to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, it generates as these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. These are only help lines to help us taking better pictures. So let me take a photo. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom to the preview. So this is our picture. As you can see, these grid lines are not visible here. And let's go back to the camera. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily turn it off by going back to this button in the left and tapping on this button with the grid line. As you can see, for now it's gone. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.